Hello everyone! In this video I want to show you how you can add your new product form to an Elementor Off-Canvas widget. So for example, here I have my car listings. Add car listing button. When I click it, an Elementor Off-Canvas widget pops up on the side with my form, and I can submit it, and my new car listing gets added on the fly, just like that. So how can we accomplish this? Let's go in and edit with Elementor. You can see here I have my grid loop widget, which shows all my car listings, and I have a button which opens up the off-canvas widget via dynamic tag. How do I do this? I go into dynamic tags and I click off-canvas and I open it up and I select the widget. So we don't have a widget, we don't have an off-canvas widget yet, so let's go ahead and add that. Click add element on the side and start typing off-canvas and drag that right under your button. And here's where we're going to add our front-end form. But first, go into the button, select this off-canvas form. Let's go back into the canvas and add a heading. Change the name to add new car listing or whatever you want. Let's go ahead and add our front-end form. Add product. Drag it right under the heading. And there we have it. Make sure to add any fields that you might need. I added product type and short description, price and sale price, and manage stock options. One more thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the Actions tab and make sure that this form is going to reload the page after submission. That way you'll see the user will see his new car listing right away. And that's it. Let's go ahead and configure the permissions, make sure the right people see this. For now I have all users who are logged in can see this form and submit their own cars. You can configure it however you want. Let's go ahead and see how this looks on the front end. Let's reload the page. And there we go. We have our front end form. Oh, one last thing, the cancel button. So let's go ahead and add a button widget. This one was here from before. Let's go ahead and add a new button. This will make sure that if the user changes his mind and doesn't want to add a new product, he can always cancel. Let's go ahead and center that in the middle. Change the label to cancel. And we're going to want to close this canvas when the user presses this button. Go ahead and click Dynamics tags. Scroll down to Actions, Off-Canvas, and select your widget. Let's change the color of the button to red, since it's a cancel button. And there you go. You have a car listing page with a button that can allow you to add the cars right there, or products right there. This is a very good user experience, and sometimes it might be better to add it on a different page, have the user come back, but this is a really modern experience where the user will add the car and see it right on the fly. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can download the template that I created in this video from the link in the description below.